It's weekend again, and I'm here with another fantastic roast chicken recipe. This is Portuguese style roast chicken with cream sauce. Just look at that chicken. The chicken is super moist and covered with sauce, so it cannot be bad, isn't it? First, we'll make the marinade for the chicken. So, mix all the ingredients that are listed on the screen. I used garlic infused olive oil. You can use just normal oil as well. And I'm adding cornflour because it gives a bit of the crunch to the chicken. I marinated the chicken overnight in the fridge. You can just marinate for even an hour. Get rid of the rack because we need all the juices from the chicken. Air fry the chicken on both sides, and the timing might be different because of the size of your chicken or the size of your air fryer. It shouldn't take more than 45 to 50 minutes for your chicken to be cooked. Then we are going to make the sauce. I use this peri sauce. You can use Nando's or any peri sauce that you like. Once the sauce is thick, coat the chicken with this amazing sauce, and oh my god, this chicken was so good. Make sure to make it and enjoy.